Teacher Mom, and today we're gonna make origami paper fox. For this you'll need a 6x6 origami paper and a pen to paint with. First, hold your paper like a diamond. Fold it into a half. This fold has to be diagonal or cross-sectional. Next, you have to fold the right and the left side of the paper up to meet at the tip. Now you have a square. Fold the square this way. So the open end faces upwards. Now you have 3 flaps of paper, 1, 2 and 3 on your right side. If your base is on the top, you have 3 flaps on the right. Lift up the first flap so that it reaches this part, almost half of the base. Now lift up the second part. This is going to be super tricky, so look carefully. We are lifting this part up, pointing the lower end of the left side towards your left and right side towards your right. Now we have a square in the middle. See, it's starting to look like a fox here. Square in the middle. Paint 2 eyes and a nose and make a bushy tail by folding the left tip downwards this way. Look at this cute little fox there. Bye for now. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.